Hello, my name is Akrapaba Chaudhary and I'm from team dotCoders. Our team leader name is Gagan Chandra Boga, and we are going to be presenting the problem statement called Startup Ayush Portal, and the problem statement code is SIH 1345. This problem statement is given by the Ministry of AYUSH, and we are from the college BVIT Nasapur from Hyderabad, and the theme is MedTech, Biotech, and Health Tech. So let's get started. First of all, the problem that we are facing. What is the problem? The problem is that there is a communication barrier for the health industry in India. This industry is involved in a system called Ayush, which also has a ministry in India. The problem is that agencies, government agencies, startups, and all the businesses in the health sector, they don't have a portal where they can communicate to each other freely. Not only that, there's no transparency involved. A government agency does not know what the X startup is doing right now at the moment, and they don't receive any updates from them. This is a problem as they're not involved in the entire cycle. Not only that, the public user, us in the general public, they don't have any idea what is going on in the current world or in the current health industry. So we are here to solve that. Our solution is to build the Ayush portal. The Ayush portal will be a website that will be built only to create a communication channel between all of these parties involved. These parties include startup founders, startup personnel, and government agencies, investors, accelerators, and also, of course, the public users. So, we have four main ideas involved. Firstly, we have a communication channel which will be done with the form of communities where different sectors can individually create their own community and share their ideas and updates. Secondly, we have the section of resources where ideas and experiences will be shared by experienced entrepreneurs in the form of blogs, and this can be downloaded by public users for much easier learning. Then we have the section of mentorship that will also be provided by experienced entrepreneurs, businessmen, or even government agencies, and they can provide the names and details and public profiles to the Ayush portal, and this will be showcased to the public users from wherein the users can contact them directly through public profiles such as LinkedIn or Twitter. Then we have the section of in the communities, we also have the section of video conferencing where startups and government agencies can share their ideas and so on. And the next section that we have is the opportunity section where jobs can be posted, hackathons can be posted by government agencies and startups. And not only that, this also provides a platform for startups and businesses to pitch their ideas, which can be in the form of workshops, or and this can be viewed by everyone. Then these are all of the ideas that we are planning to implement. And now you can see the architecture on the screen. And as you can see, the mentors and entrepreneurs and users and all the government agencies can create their profiles with using authentication. This data will be stored in the database and server. Then we they can communicate with each other with the communication section. Then we have the mentorship section, and we have the opportunities section and the resource sharing, and then the investors can also join in on this. And all of these profiles will be based upon role based access, and they will have their pros and cons according to each profile. Then we have the technology stack, which we will be using Next.js for the front end, which we will be using for server side rendering, and which will make our website much faster and SEO optimized so that anyone can hop into our website very easily. Then for the backend, we will be using Node.js and MongoDB, and if we need a server, we'll be using Express.js. And then for styling, we'll be using Tailwind CSS. And then in the future, when we have completed the project and we are happy with it, we'll also be planning to make a React Native mobile application, which will be a single code base for both Android and iOS. And then we are also planning to use machine learning recommendation system in the future. And that's all from my side. I hope that the project has interested you, and thank you so much. Bye bye.